Thank you for joining Third Eye for another video. I bet you didn't know that technology could be a gateway to spirituality. Many people see technology and spirituality as separate. They believe that the fast-paced, ever-evolving world of technology is at odds with the slow, introspective nature of spiritual practices. But is this really the case? Technology is the outer world. It represents our advancements, our progress, and our constant push towards the future. It's about connecting with others, accessing information, and making our lives more convenient. Spirituality, on the other hand, is the inner world. It's about connecting with ourselves, finding peace, and understanding our place in the universe. It's a journey inward, seeking meaning and purpose. But can they work together? Can the tools of the outer world help us explore the depths of our inner world? I wanted to find out. I was curious if integrating technology into my spiritual practice could enhance my experience. Can technology help us connect deeper with ourselves? Can it provide tools that make meditation more effective, or help us track our spiritual progress? Can it help us find inner peace? With so many apps and devices designed to promote relaxation and mindfulness, is it possible that technology could be a gateway to tranquility? Can it help us unlock our spiritual potential? Could AI and VR experiences provide new ways to explore our consciousness and expand our spiritual horizons? To answer these questions, I decided to try an experiment. I wanted to see if technology could truly enhance my spiritual journey. For 7 days, I would use AI tools designed to enhance my spiritual practice. This is my journey. Join me as I explore the intersection of technology and spirituality and discover if the two can truly coexist in harmony. Each day, I use 3 main AI tools: AI Meditation Coach, AI Dream Analysis, and AI Intuition Training. These tools became an integral part of my daily routine, each serving a unique purpose in enhancing my mental and emotional well-being. The AI Meditation Coach created personalized meditations based on my mood and goals. It was fascinating to see how the AI could adapt to my emotional state, offering sessions that ranged from calming and relaxing to energizing and motivating. For AI Dream Analysis, I would record my dreams each morning, and this tool would analyze them for deeper meaning. The insights it provided were often surprising, revealing subconscious thoughts and patterns that I hadn't been aware of. The AI Intuition Training app presented me with scenarios and helped me make decisions based on intuition, not logic. This was particularly useful in honing my gut instincts, making me more confident in my choices and actions. I was excited to begin. The journey with these AI tools promised not just self-improvement, but a deeper understanding of my own mind and emotions. It felt like stepping into a new era of personal growth and self-discovery. The AI Meditation Coach was incredible. It learned what helped me relax. Sometimes it played nature sounds. Sometimes it guided me through visualizations. My meditation sessions felt deeper. I could quiet my mind faster. I felt more present. AI-powered dream analysis, unlocking the subconscious. The AI dream analysis was fascinating. I had always remembered my dreams but never understood them. The AI helped me see patterns and symbols. For example, I had a recurring dream about being lost in a forest. The AI suggested this represented my fear of the unknown. This helped me see the dream as a message, not just a random event. Intuition training with AI sharpening my inner compass. The AI intuition training was challenging but rewarding. The app would give me scenarios like, should I take this new job? I had to trust my gut feeling, not overthink it. Over time, I felt my intuition getting stronger. I was more confident in my decisions. I started listening to my inner voice more. Reflections on AI and the future of spirituality. In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, the intersection of artificial intelligence and spirituality is becoming a fascinating area of exploration. How do these two seemingly disparate realms converge? And what does this mean for our future? After 7 days of immersing myself in this digital spiritual experiment, I was amazed. The integration of AI into my daily spiritual practices brought about unexpected insights and profound reflections. Technology had deepened my spiritual practice in ways I hadn't anticipated. Using meditation apps and AI-driven tools, I found new methods to connect with my inner self and the universe. I felt more connected to myself and the world around me. The digital enhancements seemed to bridge the gap between the physical and the metaphysical, creating a harmonious blend of both worlds. However, I also had some concerns. The reliance on technology for spiritual growth raised questions about authenticity and dependency. Can we become too reliant on technology? Is there a risk of losing our innate ability to connect with our spirituality without digital aids? What happens if we lose access to these tools? Will our spiritual practices falter, or will we find new ways to adapt and grow? These are important questions to consider as we navigate this new frontier. The balance between embracing technology and maintaining our spiritual essence is delicate and requires thoughtful consideration. Technology can be a powerful tool for spiritual growth, but it's important to use it wisely. It can enhance our journey, but it should not define it. What do you think? Can AI help us on our spiritual journey? Or is true spirituality found outside the digital realm? The answer may lie in finding a balance, where technology serves as a guide rather than a crutch, allowing us to explore the depths of our spirituality in both the digital and natural worlds. Remember to like and subscribe for more enlightening content.